Welcome back to Starving Artist Courses, your all-in-one online music education resource. I'm Jewett Payne, and you are back for another voice lesson. Before we dive into today's video, I want you guys to go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any future videos, and so you can go back and check out the previous videos that we have. We have tons of videos teaching guitar, bass guitar, voice, piano, drums, all of it. So if you guys are excited about music and learning music, you are at the right place. Now, as you all know, the new Bob Marley movie just came out called One Love. Now, you know that Bob Marley was the man. You know, you go into all the stores and restaurants and stuff. Usually the music you hear kind of playing around is that Bob Marley, that real chill vibe in music and everything, talking about one love, you know, one heart, all of that good stuff, you know. So that's what we're going to be playing today. That's what we're going to be singing today. I want to teach you guys not just the vocal part, but the harmony parts of this song as well, okay? Now, you may be asking, what is harmony, okay? Harmony, simply put, is when two or more notes are put together and they sonically sound nice together. They sound pleasing to the ear, okay? That's what harmony is, okay? Melody is if you're playing like the line of the song. For example, One Love, you know, it goes like this. One love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright. Okay, so that's how that section of the song goes. Now that's the melody line being played, but when you do harmony, you're hearing multiple notes played at the same time. Something like this. One love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright. Okay, so what I did there was I played multiple notes together. So I played the melody and the harmony, okay? Now, before we jump into that, we need to know what are the chords that are being played. And before that, what's the scale that's being played? The scale is going to help us to do the harmony, okay? So this song is played in B flat major, okay? So B flat major scale, remember the major scale, we taught this in previous videos. It goes a whole step, which is when you skip over one note. Then there's a series of half steps too, which when you just go up to the next note immediately. So this is what the major scale is going to be. So if I start on the B flat, this is B, B flat, okay? So from B flat, I go a whole step. So which means I skip over the B, whole step, okay? Then I go half step, which is just the note right next to it. This looks like it's right next to it, but this isn't the next immediate note. This would be, okay? So that's a half step. Then you go whole step, whole, then a half step, okay? So that is your B flat major scale. Okay, that's what's happening there. So the B flat chord is going to be the first chord, so you're gonna play this. Okay, so you got the B flat, you got the D, and you got the F, okay? So that's your B flat there. Then our next chord is going to be the F major. Okay, and then you're going to have the E flat. Okay, that's your E flat major chord there. Then you're gonna go back to the B flat, back to F, and then back to B flat. Okay, so again, those chords, 1, 2, 3, one love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright. One more time. One love, one heart, give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Okay, so that is the chord progression for the chorus. We're only going to focus on the chorus today, focus on those harmony parts. There's not much harmony happening in the verse except when they say, one heart, you know, and all of that. But we're going to just focus on the chorus, okay? So the first chord, again, is going to be that B flat, the B flat chord, which why one of the notes in that chord, because a chord here is actually 3 notes harmonizing with each other. Okay, so you got that's your B flat chord right there, okay? And then we're gonna go to the D, which is that starting note. Then it goes to the C. Then up here to the E flat, D, C. Okay, so that's the melody line, okay? That's what the lead is singing. That's what Bob Marley is singing right there, okay? So we're gonna get those notes. Pay attention to these notes. You gotta tune that ear and listen real good. So we're gonna start on that D note, which is gonna be, that's our one. One love, then one heart. One heart, let's get together and feel again. One love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright. Okay, that is the melody right there. I want to make sure you hear those notes. Sometimes a lot of individuals may hear the note but can't, let it out, let that sound come out. So a trick with that is if you're on this D, think of it like a roller coaster. You're swaying up and down, okay, with the voice. So, right, you're going up and back down, okay? So think of it like a roller coaster like that. So if you're playing this D, and then you're maybe singing, you're gonna keep swaying to, okay, and try your best to try and hear that note, okay? And there's some apps too that you can use where you kind of sing a note and it'll tell you specifically what note you're at. And you're like, okay, that's B. B is lower than D. I need to go up. So you start swaying up. So if you're B, all right, then you go on to D. Okay, so that's what you want to do there. All right, so that's that. Now the harmony is going to be another note that's associated with that chord that we're playing. So in that first chord, remember, it's the B flat. Okay, so the other two harmony parts are going to start with the B flat and the F, this F note here, okay? So you get this as the lead. That second harmony is going to start with the F. One love. Then it's gonna go, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. One more time. One love. One heart, let's get together and feel alright. Okay, so with the melody, you start with the D. One love, one heart. It went to the C, so you would think. But in the harmony, it goes, then it stays there. Okay, now why is it staying on F even though in the melody it went from D to C? Why do you stay on the F when you go to the C? That's because the second chord that's being played is the F chord. So there is actually still going to be a note in the next part of the harmony. Because the first chord is one love. Okay, then it goes one heart. And right here what you're seeing is you get that C and you get that F. This is the F, but we're going to do this F because the song they're up here. Okay. So back to that harmony again, it's gonna go one love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright. Okay, so that's what we're doing there for the harmony. Now we're gonna connect it again with the melody so they can both be played together, okay? So the melody is gonna be on this D while I hit the F. So if you are someone who's trying to learn how to harmonize, I want you to focus on this. You are locking in on this. You need to close your eyes because you're going to hear this and you may want to naturally jump and sing this note, but try your best to hold this down right here. Ah, one love, one love, one love, you're staying here. For those who are doing harmony, okay? So we're going to play it, and now I'm going to sing this section, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. One love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright. One more time. One love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright. Yeah. All right, great job. So if you got that, fantastic. If not, it's all good. Go ahead and rewind the video. Keep going over that. Again, close your eyes if you have to and really dig in and focus on that harmony section, okay? If you find that you're all over the place with some other notes and stuff, try and find which note you are matching at and then work your way up or work your way down to that starting note, which is going to be the F, okay? Now, we're going to go over to the second harmony part, which is the other note. We did the D, we did the F, then we're going to go to the B flat, but we're gonna go down here. B flat, okay? So it's gonna go one love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright. Okay, that's our other harmony. One love, one heart, let's get together and feel Okay, and that's that right there. So now we're going to put that with the melody so that you can hear that all together. Okay, so it's gonna go. One love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright. Okay, so that's the harmony there. We're gonna try it one more time. One love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright. Okay, so it's going to be our third harmony on that section right there, okay? All right, great job. So now what we're going to do is play each one individually one last time, then blend them all together, and you're gonna practice all three parts, the lead, the alto, and the soprano, or the lead, the harmony 1, and harmony 2. But first, let's go ahead and play them individually one last time. Here's the melody line. One love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright. One love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright. Okay. All right, so next is the first harmony, starting on the F note. 1, 2, 3, 4. One love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright. Okay. And lastly is the second harmony, starting on the B flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. One love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright. Okay. And that's what that is there. Okay, great. So now we're going to play the chords and have all three harmonies playing in a track. It's going to be panned so you can hear the harmonies in stereo. So if you want to listen to this part, listen with headphones so that you can listen to the harmonies in both sides of the ears, and you can really lock in on each individual part as it's all separated. Here we go. One love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright. One love, one heart, give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Let's get together and feel alright. All right, guys, great job. So that was One Love by Bob Marley. So this song is in 77 beats per minute, or you can bump it up to 154. You can double it, 154 BPM, and that'll help you stay right on timing as you lock in and sing this song. Also, remember, the best way to learn your harmony is to learn the key and the scale of the song that you're learning. Okay, so you want to learn that major scale, know top and bottom, and go ahead and do those runs. You can do la, 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 and all of that, and learn each note that is in that scale. And then as you do the harmonies, you want to go ahead and try to match those notes as you play. I always say as you do vocals, it's good to supplement it with a keyboard. It's just very nice. You just lay it out. You can hit the notes and go ahead and match what you're hearing, so you can try to match your voice with that note as well. Okay, so that's key. If you want to go deeper as a vocalist, as a pianist, or in any of the other instruments that we teach, go to starvingartistcourses.com/memberships and sign up for one-on-one lessons with our instructors. Also, if you want to kind of, get your feet wet first before you dive fully in, we do offer a free trial. Yes, free. You can sign up for a trial at starvingartistcourses.com as well. That link is in the description below. Guys, if you have any questions about that song, comment below. If there's any song requests, song suggestions that you want to learn on this channel, let us know as well. We are here for you as you are an aspiring musician. Thank you so much for tuning in to Starving Artist Courses, and I will see you next time.